press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi students, we are discussing about the errors and significant figures. In continuation of that, it is an assignment part where the questions are coming in entrance, NEET, JEE or KCET or similar entrance examinations, and you have to exactly concentrate on what relations and concepts. So majorly the second part of this assignment, the precision and accuracy. What is the meaning of precision? I told you that it is a comparison of the least count of various instruments. The instrument which is having minimum least count is considered as the highest precision reading possible. And accuracy, the final measured value must be very close to the true value or standard value of a quantity, then we say that measurement is most accurate. Similarly, representation of error is made in two types. One, absolute error, it is the measured value plus or minus error that commits is an absolute error mentioning. Similarly, in percentage error, fractional error multiplied by 100 in terms of percentage error we represent. When you given the problems, you have to look into these two, whether they given in form of absolute error or in the form of percentage error during the calculations. Propagation of error is the most important part in this chapter. So if the physical quantity is available from the addition or subtraction of the two other physical quantities, then the error committed in that is always delta A plus delta B is a absolute error. Absolute error can be obtained by delta A plus delta B. Suppose you want fractional error, you have to divide by Z. So here it is dividing by A plus B. Or if it is minus, minus A plus B. If it is A minus B, you have to take A minus B to get the fractional error. If you multiplied by 100, that becomes the percentage error. Similarly, in case of product and division, quotient and product rules. So in fractional error, we directly calculate delta A by A plus delta B by B. Whether it is a product or division, no difference, always error is additive. Here plus or minus, absolute error is additive. Similarly, if it is a quantity to the power of n, if a measurement is affecting n times, then the error is n times the fractional error of that quantity. Similarly, another quantity m times, then m into delta B by B. Whether it is a product or again a quotient, the same. Whether it is a division or product, whether it is the denominator or numerator is not a question, but it always be plus with the number of times that repeats, n times delta A by A or m times delta B by B. These relations most oftenly we use and appeared in previous year's question papers. Significant figures, what is significant figures you are knowing, but when they are applying for the final result, so the mathematical operations, addition, subtraction and multiplication and division, I told you that in the case of addition and subtraction, you have to maintain minimum digits after the decimal point. If you are given a set of readings, after the addition, you have to maintain number of digits after the decimal point equal to minimum. Which one have minimum? That number has to maintain in the final result. Similarly, in case of multiplication and division or in determinant of powers, you have to maintain minimum significant figures. Out of the data given, which one is having minimum significant figures, final answer should be in that. So this is about significant figures, and approximation you are knowing well. While you are giving the final result, sometimes we have to look into the approximation concept even when out of 4 options given to find out the correct one. So with this knowledge, one, precision and accuracy concept, representation of error must be taken very carefully, whether they given absolute error or percentage error, and propagation of error in addition and subtraction, either the absolute error or fractional error determination, or in the product or quotient rule, fractional error determination, or the quantities are affecting power time, then multiplying with them and addition. Again, significant figures in case of addition and subtraction or multiplication and division, what rules we have to follow. Knowing this, we can find a question sure in any entrance paper for you. So let us go to the questions which are appeared, and some may be a new questions, a set of questions we selected. Come to the question number 1. A far-off planet is estimated to be at a distance d from the Earth. If its diametrically opposite extremes subtend an angle theta at an observatory situation on the Earth, the approximate diameter of the planet is. So the question number 1, it is some object, a planet at some distance having its diameter d. So from the Earth we are observing it. So this is the distance we imagine d, and this is the angle theta. Rule of approximation, So we have come to know the parallax method. Theta is equal to, because as capital D is greater than d, I can write directly d upon capital D from the parallax method. Diameter of the planet from the Earth. So therefore diameter of the planet is theta into d. Option is third one. Directly from the parallax method, determination of the distance of the object. Go to the next, number 2. The most precise reading of the mass of an object among the following is. So when they use the precision, see the answers: 20 gram, second one as 20.0 gram, third one as 20.01 gram, and fourth one as 20.0 gram. So almost you are seeing 20 into 10 power 0, okay. 20 into 10 power 0 gram. So 20 gram is a whole number, 10, I can take it is to the order. Whereas go to the least number is one digit, 0.1 gram. When you come to here, it is 0.01 gram. It is around 100. Which one is minimum? Out of this, which one have minimum value? That is about the 0.01. The least count is minimum, means precision is maximum. So among them, which is most precise means the third one having the minimum measuring capacity. After the decimal point, it can shift up to 2 digits, which gives you most accurate value, highest precision that has. Option number 3. Come to the next. The most accurate reading of the length of a 6.8 centimeter. Most accurate must be very close to 6.28 among the 4 given. Let us see one by one. First one, if I take first one 6 centimeter, 6.28 minus 6, if you did, it get 0.28. The error that comes to me, difference, deviation. 6.5, 6.28 minus 6.5, 2 may be negative, minus of this. Third, 5.99. 5.99 indicates 0.29. Fourth one 6.0. 6.28 minus 6.0 is 0.28. For this, which is most close is minimum difference. Difference should be minimum. Difference is minimum is corresponding to 0.22. Whether minus or plus not important. Out of these, minimum difference is 0.22. Therefore, the second option is the most accurate among the 4, which is very close to 6.28. Come to the next. Thickness of a pencil measured by using a screw gauge having a least count 0.001 centimeter comes to be measured value 0.802 centimeter. The percentage error in the measurement is, so percentage error is the least count by measured value, one formula given to you. The minimum deviation, that is the from the standard value, is equal to least count. Least count of the instrument given, true value, measured value is there, multiplying by 100 gives you that. So therefore I can write 0.001 by 0.802 into 100. This approximated is 1 by 8. That equal to 0.125%. The most accurate answer is about the option number 1. This formula, the error committed is equal to minimum error that committing is equal to the least count by the value measured multiplied by 100 is a percentage error. Answer is 0.125. A packet contains a silver powder of mass 20.23 gram. 20.23 gram plus or minus 0.01 gram. Sum of the powder of mass 0.575, 5.75 gram, 0.01 gram is taken out from it. The mass of the powder left back is. One thing you remember here, the two things. One, we have to subtract. Another, we have to use the significant rule. I told you in addition and subtraction, you have to maintain the minimum number of digits after the decimal point. In both cases, decimal point after 2 digits. Final answer should be in 2 digits. 13.8, 11.4, 14.48 plus or minus. But this subtraction, but the error is always to be additive. Therefore, it becomes 0.02 gram. This must be your possible answer. So 2 digits we maintained according to the significant rule procedure. The subtraction we did here, but the error is always to be added. Therefore, the correct answer is the second option. Second option is the right one. Come to the next. The addition of 3 masses, 1.6 gram, 1.6 gram, 7.32 gram, and 4.238 gram. Addressed up to proper decimal places is. Proper decimal places added. In case of addition, I told already, multiplication and division. In case of, we have to maintain the minimum digits after the decimal point is only 1 digit. Therefore, directly go through the answers. Whole number part is same, 13 point. Only one option is right, which can maintain only 1 digit after the decimal point is the second option, 13.2 gram. So that is the option you have there. Second one, I hope you are followed here. After the decimal point, in case of addition, you have to maintain the digits which have minimum. Here there are 3, here there are 2, here 1. Only you have to maintain 1 after the addition. Right, coming to next. An object of mass 4.237 gram occupies a volume 1.72 centimeter cube. Density of the object to appropriate significant figures is. So when come to density, it is mass by volume. mass by volume. If you take the mass 4.237 divided by volume is 1.72. I am not directly coming to this. In case of multiplication and division, you have to see the minimum number of significant figures. No decimal point is important. Here 4, here 3. Your final answer should be in 3 significant figures. Option 1 gives you that density is equal to 2.46 gram centimeter cube. Gram per centimeter cube. So the second one is wrong because 4. Third one is wrong, only 2. Fourth one also confuses you, 2.46 or 2.50. 50 approximation cannot be done here because this data clearly says may not be 2.5. It is not 1.72 into 2.5 cannot give this. Therefore, fourth one is not appropriate. This appropriate is the first one, 2.46. Come to next. In an experiment, the percentage error occurred in the measurement of physical quantities A, B, C and D are 1, 2, 3 and 4%. The maximum percentage error in the measurement of X is given X is equal to A square B power half divided by C power 1 by 3 into D cube. So it is the question number 8, appeared in a NEET last year 2019. Percentage error 1, 2, 3, 4 A, B, C, D. Maximum percentage error calculation into 100. See the question, it is appeared in last year NEET exam. So 2 into delta A by A plus half into delta B by B plus 1 by 3 into delta C by C plus 3 into delta D by D. So it should be multiplied by 100 in percentage calculation. But they given percentage as 2 into 1 plus half into 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 plus 3 into 4. Percentage error delta A by 100 is 1%, delta B by 100 is 2%, delta C by 100 is 3%, delta D by 100 is 4% given. So if simplified, 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 12 become 16%. Is the correct option is the third one. Coming to the next. A student measured the diameter of a small steel ball using a screw gauge of least count 0.001 centimeter screw gauge. The main scale reading, which we are calling as a pitch scale reading, is 5 millimeter. I am writing in accordance with least count because this is most important to bring the data given in the single unit. To convert, I converted into centimeter to maintain the same unit. And 0 circular scale division coincides with the 25 divisions. Head scale division is 25 divisions. 0 error is minus 0.004 centimeter. Screw gauge. The correct diameter of the ball is, it is appeared, you see, it is in NEET 2018. JEE 2015 and same question repeated in 2012. See the importance of this error measurement or application of the screw gauge. So a most important question here, least count is known. Pitch scale reading, head scale reading, the total reading of the, even the error is mentioned in centimeters using least count together. pitch scale reading plus head scale division into least count minus error. Minus error if it is already in terms of centimeter given. So that is 0.5 centimeter plus 25 into 0.001 minus of minus 0.004. So for your simplification method, I write like this. 3 digits 0.025. There are 3 digits 0.004. What the sum given you is 0.529 centimeter. The correct option is the fourth one. It won't confuse you, but you must be very number given. Division is given, you can add, multiply with least count. Here they given in terms of centimeter directly after multiplying the division with least count. Therefore, minus Z, it is the error. Error is negative, correction is opposite. It become plus and final answer is that, fourth one. Come to the next. A physical quantity is represented by x is equal to m power a, l power b, t power minus c. If percentage error in the measurement of m, l and t are alpha, beta and gamma respectively, then the maximum percentage error in the measurement of x is. So again the concept same, into 100, this A times effects of mass delta m by m plus B times of length delta L by L plus C times of T delta T by T into 100. This A alpha, because delta m by m is alpha, L is B beta plus time is C gamma in terms of percentage. So the correct option is second one. We used the same relation in the previous problem, the same is repeated in 2013. In an experiment, 4 quantities A, B, C and D are measured with percentage errors 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Quantity P is calculated as follows. Quantity P given as A cube B square upon CD. NEET 2013 appeared question. 1, 2, 3, 4 ABCD given. We have to calculate the percentage error in P by P into 100 delta A by A plus 2 into delta B by B plus delta C by C plus delta D by D into 100. ABCD, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, no confusion, directly given. Therefore, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 7, 14%. The maximum you can get is option number 4. It is 3, 4, 7, 7, 3, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Option number 4 is the right one. Come to next one. The damping force on oscillator is directly proportional to the velocity. See, the force is directly proportional to velocity. The unit of the constant of proportionality R. I can write force is equal to some constant U. Constant of proportionality is K is force by velocity. What is the unit of force? Mass is measured in kg, because force you can write as mass into acceleration, or it is mass into velocity by time, or it is mass into distance divided by time square. Mass is kg, distance is in meter, and time is in square. Velocity taken distance by time directly. Distance is measured in meter and time in second. Cancelling meter 1 second, what remained? Unit of k is kg, second power minus 1 remained. Option number 1. Direct substitution for the unit of F and V in SI, we got answer kg per second. A student measured the distance travelled in a free fall of a body initially at rest in a given time. He uses the data to estimate g, acceleration due to gravity. Maximum percentage error in the measurement of distance and time are E1 and E2 respectively. Then the percentage error in the estimation of g is. So the question appeared in 2010 AIPMT, means NEET equivalent 2010 paper. Period of oscillation, if you take 2 pi into root of L by G, or T square is equal to 4 pi square into L by G. Error in measurement of G, if you want, 4 pi square into L by T square is formula we use to calculate the acceleration due to gravity. To assess that, if you want to measure delta G by G into 100, it is delta L by L plus 2 into delta T by T into 100. So they given delta L1 by L into 100 is even the percentage error, and for delta T is that 2 into E2. This delta L by L into 100 is E1, delta T by T into 100 is E2. So therefore E1 plus 2 E2. Option number 2 is the correct one. I hope you are allowed. It is because it is T square. It is L. L is 1 time T square. Therefore 2 into delta T by T we have taken, and final answer is second one. Come to the next question, number 14. If the error in the measurement of radius of a sphere is 2%, radius of a sphere delta R by R into 100 is 2% mentioned, 2%, then the error in the determination of volume of the sphere. What is the relation for volume of the sphere? First you write, no, 4 by 3 pi r cube, which suggests error in the measurement of volume gives you 3 into delta R by R into 100. But this they given as 2%. Therefore 3 into 2 equal to 6%. Option number 3 is the right one. So error took place in measurement of radius is given. Question is on volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. V proportional to r cube. Therefore error measuring in volume is 3 times affects that one. Therefore it is 6%. So the question AIPMT 2008, the percentage error in the measurement of mass and the speed are. Percentage measured in mass, delta m by m into 100. Speed, delta v by v into 100. Velocity or the speed are 2% and 3%. The error in the estimation of the kinetic energy of a mass will be, kinetic energy is given as half mv square. If I write delta E by E into 100, percentage error, m is 1 times, delta m by m, speed is 2 times delta v by v into 100. Delta m by m is 2. into 2 into 3% plus. So this becomes 6 plus 2 is 8%. Option number 1. Mass 1 times, velocity affecting by 2 times. Therefore, the answer is 8%. JEE 2018. The density of a cube is measured by measuring its mass and length of its sides. Cube it is. If the maximum error in the measurement of mass and length are measurement of mass and measurement of length are 1.5 and 1. 1.5% and 1% they are given. The maximum error in the measurement of density would be, it is a cube and you are knowing in case of cube, all the sides have the same length, volume is equal to L cube. Therefore, if you want the density measurement is mass by volume, M by L cube is rho. Delta rho by rho into 100 is delta M by M into 100 plus 3 into delta L by L into 100. So here delta M by M is 1.5 plus 3 into 1, 4.5%. 4.5%, option number 3. I think you are followed. This is the length measuring error, but 3 times effects because volume is L cube, and 1 time the mass effects measurement. When taken the total, it becomes 4.5%, appeared in JEE 2018. Let us come to the next question, 17. The percentage error in PQRS 0.5, 1, 3 and 0.5 respectively in the measurement of physical quantity 17, JEE 18, the paper appeared A equal to P cube Q square, P cube Q square by root R into S. Percentage error in A 2018 JEE. Delta A by A 100. It is 3 times of P plus 2 times of Q plus root means half times of R plus delta S by S. Total into 100. 3 times of 0.5, first one, second is 1%. 2 into 1, half into, third one is 3%, plus 1.5. 1.5 plus 2 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, 4.5 plus that is equal to 6.5%. Option is the fourth one. 1.5, 1.5, 3 plus 1.4.5 plus 2 is 6.5. Directly relation 3 times effects, 2 times, half times and only 1 time. So coming to next question. It is also in JEE 2018. You may be thinking how many questions are coming. Particularly remember, JEE papers are online papers. In 1 year, you will get minimum 16 papers sometimes. Every paper will carry one question at least. Therefore, in 18 only you can get the many questions. The relative uncertainty in the period of satellite orbiting around the earth is relative error. That means a fractional error in measuring delta T by T is a 10 power minus 2 seconds. Minus 2, not second, it is error. The relative uncertainty in radius of orbit is negligible. Delta R by R is 0, negligible. Then the relative uncertainty in the measurement of mass is result mass. So it is the relative uncertainty period of satellite. Period of satellite, you are not knowing, but you are learning in the first PUC itself in the 7th chapter, gravitation. Period of rotation of the planet given by 2 pi into R plus H whole cube by GM. We want mass. Therefore, if I squared on both sides, T square is 4 pi square into R plus H whole cube by GM. Now, this almost neglected its variation, only variation with these two. Therefore, I can write delta M by M into 100. 100 no relative given, no 100 concept error, I just here relative error. So that equal to T affecting 2 times delta T by T. Already delta T by T given that 2 into 10 power minus 2 the mass effects if time affecting 10 power minus 2 times. 2 into 10 power minus 2, option number 3. This formula don't worry now at this stage. You will learn in the first PUC itself the period of revolution of the planet, satellite round the planet. Period of revolution of the satellite round the planet is given by this, where R is the radius of the earth and H is the satellite. It's a period given by this if G and M and radius of the earth and mass of the earth. They are asking about that relation. You got about 2 into 10 power minus 2. Option number 3. Come to the next one. Again in 2018, the relative error in the determination of surface area of the sphere is alpha. Percentage relative error, not percentage error, relative error, alpha. Then the relative error in the determination of its volume is appeared in JE 18. Already you know, in case of a sphere, volume given by 4 by 3 pi r cube, surface area is a 4 pi r square. Your aim is to find relative error in measuring volume. From that I can write 3 into delta r by r. You require delta r by r. You are not given directly. In that case, to find this, the option is this area. Surface area, if they take A, delta A by A is equal to 2 into delta R by R because it affects twice. So this is equal to alpha. Or delta R by R is equal to alpha by 2. You can substitute here 3 into alpha by 2. Therefore, relative error in measuring the volume will be equal to 3 by 2 alpha. 3 by 2 alpha. Hence, the option is the third one. Option number 3. Coming to the next. It is also in JE 2018. A screw gauge gives you 5 complete rotations. Can find the pitch from that. Number of rotations given 5 complete, distance moved. Distance moved by number of rotations given. A screw gauge 5 complete rotations on the screw cause it move a linear distance of 0.25 centimeter. There are 100 circular scale divisions. Thickness of a wire measured by this screw gauge gives a reading of 4 main scale divisions and 30 circular scale divisions. Assuming negligible error, the thickness of the wire is, first pitch means one division of the main scale how much reads, or pitch scale how much reads. It is 0.25 by 5, 0.05 centimeter. Is each division, one division of pitch scale reading measures, which is nothing but main scale value. Least count means pitch divided by total number of divisions on head scale, that is 0.05 by 100. I can write it 5 into 10 power minus 4 centimeter. Let it be. Now 4 main scale divisions and 30 divisions. Pitch scale reading is 4 and head scale divisions are 30. What is the total reading required? To find that one, we have pitch scale reading plus head scale division into least count. Here no error is considered. Pitch scale divisions are 4 into each one is 0.05. 4 divisions, each division length is 0.05 centimeter. Plus head scale division are 30 into least count is 10 power minus 4 in centimeter. It become 0.20 plus 150 into 10 power minus 4. For simplification, I can write it as 0.20 and 0.0150 added 0.2150 centimeter. Is the correct option. 0.2150 is the fourth one. Fourth option is the most correct one. So I hope you are understood here that distance moved by number of rotations gives you the reading of each division of the pitch, which is equal to 0.05 centimeter. Least count is pitch upon total number of divisions on the head scale. 0.05 by 100 is that one. Pitch scale division given 4. Value is 4 into value of each division. That gives you the main scale reading is how much. And this is the head scale into the number of divisions moved on the vernier scale. That is circular scale. Gives you the final answer this. Hence the option number 4. Following observations were taken for determining surface tension T of a water by capillary method. Diameter of the capillary is measured to be 1.25 into 10 power minus 2 meter or 1.25 centimeter. Rise of water H is equal to 1.45 into 10 power minus 2 meter or 1.45 centimeter. Using G equal to 9.8, value of G, simplifying the relation P equal to rho G or Hg, okay, rho or Hg into 10 power 3 by 2 Newton per meter. The possible error in the surface tension is closest to JEE 2017. This is the surface tension. You learn again in the first PUC in mid chapters of fluid mechanics. So it depends on two quantities here, R and H. G is constant, acceleration due to gravity, numerical values. Suppose you want to measure the percentage error, delta T by T into 100 is R. Delta R by R into 100 plus delta H by H into 100. I taken in the centimeter, delta R, this implies you 0.01 into 100 by 1.25. Why written? Because centimeter. So answer in meter, 10 power minus 2. Here 2 digits are there after the decimal point which prefer to be the least count. Therefore, I taken 0.01 plus 0.01 into 100 by 1.45, and this equal to multiplying, but 100 by 25 plus 100 by 145, 4 by 5 plus 20 by 29. So this may be equal to, okay, no problem. This may be equal to 4 by 5 is 0.8 plus, if I made it approximately as 20 by 30, this necessary because we are not having any calculator here. So 2 by 3 is 0.666. So 8 4s out 14. 1466. How much the answer is? 1.5. So it is 1.5%, approximating this. I think you are followed here. Diameter or radius, here if I have to divide, nothing will affect here in the ratio, because this radius is given. If you want to write in terms of diameter, r by d by 2, we can take the same formula. Diameter, don't come under confusion, I have not used here. I can write in this form, it does not affect your d by 2 is radius. Instead of r, you can use as a d and substitute. Answer same. So diameter and height. So here this 0.01 taken because 2 digits after the decimal point preferred, least count is 0.01, and simplification given to the answer 1.5%. Yes, next. A physical quantity is represented by the relation, again it is in JEE 2017, P equal to A to the power of half, B to the power of 2, C to the power of 3, D power minus 4. If the relative errors in the measurement of A, B, C, D are 2, 1, 3, 5, relative measurement of P will be, relative error is a fractional error, half into delta A by A plus 2 into delta B by B plus 3 into delta C by C plus 4 into delta D by D. So minus 4, don't take minus here, it must be plus. Now half into 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 2 into 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3 into 3, 4 into 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 9 plus 20 equal to 32%. Option number 3 appeared in 2017. Relative error is asked. Given the values power half, power 2, power 3 and power 4. All addition, no subtraction term to be considered. Coming to next one. JEE 2016. A student measured the period of 100 oscillations of a simple pendulum 4 times. The data is set 90, 91, 95 and 92 seconds. If the minimum division in the measuring of clock is 1 second, then the reported mean time should be. Reported mean time, average time has to calculate here. Question number 23. Number of trials, if you take 90, 91, 95 and 92. If you take the average, T average total time, 9 is common, you can write it 9 commonly. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8, divided by 4. 8 by 4 is 2. 92 seconds. Adding all not necessary. One term is same. Only add 8. Number of trials are 4. 8 by 4 is 2. Mean average you got it. But the answer 1 you can get 92 no doubt. Plus or minus value how much I have to obtain. For this absolute error in measuring this delta T1 plus delta T2 plus delta T3 plus delta T4 by 4. This also can directly write 92 is 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 0 divided by 4. Don't take the minus sign, deviation it is. In one case it is 90 minus 2 you may be thinking, but not only the, I say this is all the modulus value, no negative values. 2 plus 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2 is 6 by 4 is 1.5. Hence your answer is this. Which one is the right out of the given? Option number 3. 92 plus or minus 1.5 second. I think you understood. We got average value is 92. Error that commits is absolute error. This form of writing in the beginning of this class I told you. This is writing absolute error. Absolute mean absolute error is error in each trial divided by number of trials gives you the mean absolute error 1.5. Go to the next. 2015 JEE paper. The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is given T equal to 2 pi into root of L by G. Measured value of L is 20 centimeter known to 1 millimeter. L is 20 centimeter or 200 millimeter. Delta L minimum is 1 millimeter. Accuracy and the time for 100 oscillation of the pendulum is found to be 90 seconds. 90 seconds the total time for 100 oscillation, and the delta T is found to be 1 second. Minimum resolution, the accuracy in the determination of G is percentage error is nothing but measures the minimum percentage error, accuracy is high. However, to calculate here, again G want means 4 pi square L by T square, which make you to think delta G by G into 100 is delta L by L plus 2 into delta T by T into 100, because L 1 times, T 2 times. Delta L is 1 divided by 200, millimeter cancelled. This 100 if I take inside, this 100 I taken inside, 1 millimeter by 200 plus 2 into 1 divided by 90 into 100 this. So it becomes 0.5 plus, because half, 20 by 9. 20 by 9 is 2.22 like that. So 2.72. Possible answer should be 2.72. Near to that 2.72 is the 3%. Approximated to 3. I think followed here they given this length variation. Minimum error that committing in measuring length is 1 millimeter. Minimum error committing in time is 1 second. Use the relation. Percentage error asked. 2.72 may be the right one, but nearest value out of the given 4 options is the third one. JEE 2014. The current voltage relation of a diode is given as 25 I is equal to e to the power of 1000 V by T minus 1 in terms of milliampere, where the applied voltage is V in volts and temperature T in degree Kelvin. If student makes an error of measuring delta V is plus or minus 0.1 volt, while measuring the current of 5 milliamps at a temperature of 300 Kelvin, what will be the error in the value of current in milliamps? That means the question is on absolute error in measuring the current you have to calculate. It was appeared in JEE 2014. So here, as you see the question, let us come to get the delta I in terms of voltage variation. Current varying with voltage. If I write delta by delta V, that means dV, differentiation, e to the power of 1000 V by T minus 1. This differentiation concept I told you, deviation of I with this. So as it is comes of this value, e to the power of 1000 V by T into differentiation of this with the 1000 V by T. Constant is 0, minus 0. When I write this I, delta I, error committed is e to the power of 1000 V by T into here, if you take differentiation of this with V, V is 1, remains with 1000 by T. 1000 by T, V get cancelled because dV by V is 1. And again ut delta V I write here. Now you want what is 1000 V by T gives you. For that, third part I use stopping here. Given I is equal to e to the power of 1000 V by T minus 1. If it is a 5, e to the power of 1000 V by T minus 1 or e to the power of 1000 V by T is equal to 6, 5 plus 1. Therefore, I can substitute here. Delta I is equal to, this is nothing but 6 into 1000 divided by 300. Temperature given is 300. Delta V is 0.01. See, E 1000 by T I got as a 6. 1000, T is 300. Delta V is 0.01 given here. So, the two zeros cancels 10 and answer to be 0.2. Current is in milliamps. Option should be the first one. Because here 2 get cancels, 1 remains 0.1, 0.6 by 3 is 0.2 milliampere. I think you are followed here. First we have to find out delta I means differentiation of this with respect to voltage, because this varies with voltage. T is kept constant, V is variable. So therefore when I differentiated this, you got this relation. To find this one, I applied condition, I taken 5 milliamps. When applied, you got this answer. Substituting, you got the final answer as 0.2 milliampere. (2014) Question number 26. A student measured the length of a rod and wrote it as 3.5 centimeter. Which instrument did he use to measure it? So you have to see the least count. Measured value is a 3.50 centimeter, means least count is 0.01 centimeter. This least count which instrument has is the answer. Suppose if take a meter scale where 1 millimeter, least count is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter, is not the answer. You have to get 0.01. The second, a vernier calipers of 10 divisions of vernier scale matches with 9 divisions on the main scale, and main scale has 10 divisions equal to 1 millimeter. 1 centimeter, right. Main scale division is 1 millimeter or 0.1. Main scale division, main scale reading, one main scale reading is 1 millimeter by 10, which is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Least count of vernier calipers is MSR, one value of MSR minus 1 VSD. 1 MSR is 0.1 minus 0.1 into 1 VSD is divided by 9 into 10. This become 0.1 if I brought out. So 9 by 10, 9 divisions coincides with that. Ten minus 9 is 1. 1 by 10, which become 0.01 centimeter. So this may be the answer. Vernier calipers having this. 9 divisions covers 10 divisions, 9 by 10. So come to the third one. A screw gauge having 100 divisions in the circular scale and pitch of 1 millimeter. Least count is 1 millimeter by 100 or 0.1 centimeter by 100. 0.001 centimeter. There are only 2 digits. 1 0, 2 digits cannot be. Fourth one come to least count equal to 1 millimeter, but there are 50 divisions. 1 millimeter by 50. 0.1 centimeter by 50. So it is 0.01 by 5. 0.002 centimeter. Again it is wrong. The correct one is this 0.01 centimeter. Vernier caliper, second option gives you the right measuring instrument used, because all others have different least count. JEE 2012. Resistance of a given wire obtained by measuring the current flowing in it and voltage difference applied across it. Percentage error measurement of current and voltage difference are 3% each. The error in the value of resistance of the wire, JEE 2012, 27. So resistance is voltage by current. If you want resistance delta R by R into 100, delta V by V into 100 plus delta I by I into 100. Each is 3%. Voltage variation 3. It is also 3. Therefore, the answer should be 6%. Option number 1. Come to the next. JEE 2010. The respective number of significant figures for the numbers 23.023, 0.0003 and 2.1 into 10 power minus 3. JEE 2010, 28th question. You have to see the significant figures. 0 in between is significant. So therefore all digits are significant. 3 plus 2, 5 is the first one. Any left non-zero digits are left off. First non-zero digit is the first significant figure. It has only 1. And powers cannot affect, only there are 2 digits. Therefore the possible answer is the first one, 5, 1 and 2. Significant figures. Coming to the next. A body of mass 3.513 kg, 3.513 kg, moving along the x-axis with a speed 5.00 meter per second. The magnitude of its momentum recorded as JEE 2008, linear momentum or momentum. M into V. Question number 29. See here it is a product. In the case of product, you have to see the only 3 significant digits minimum out of the 2. Final answer should carry only the three significant figures. The first option is only that one, 17.6 kg per meter cube. Don't go on calculating the product finding and all those things should not do. Just it question relied on significant figures. In the case of product, you have to maintain minimum significant figures, that is 3. Here also 3, option 1 is the correct one. Come to the next. The resistance R equal to V by I, where V equal to 100 plus or minus 5 volt and I is equal to 10 plus or minus 2 volt, 0.2 volt. Percentage error in resistance R, KCET 2018. Delta R by R into 100, percentage error, okay. Delta V by V into 100, because according to that, plus delta by I into 100. This is a delta V and this is V. Here it is a delta I and it is I. 5 by 100 into 100 plus 0.2 by 10 into 100. So this become 5 and this become 2, because 1 2 cancels. Answer is 7%, option number 3. So these are some questions which are more significantly appeared in previous years we have taken, and you come to know the error where the questions are arriving. Even you go to the next paper, the questions will be in the limit of this. Go through once or twice carefully and follow the formula and steps correctly. Thank you.